had a head start.
May I present to you all of the lobsters?
Woo! Oh, gracious.
Is it heavy, Alan?
It is heavy. Okay, where are we going to put this?
Right there.
Oh, my goodness.
Now how am I going to pick mine? They're all red.
That's
Yeah,
right.
we realized that was going to be an issue for you, but we didn't want to confuse you earlier.
I don't
Okay.
think there's a bad choice.
I don't think it's the same.
I'm
This one
pretty
looks
sure
pretty
we
big,
put
though.
the monster on top.
Yeah, that one looks like Mom's right there.
Here we go. Hang on. Here. Okay, Mom. Let me do this little thing. Oh, that's not going to work.
Need some light?
I need light. Can somebody give me Phil Flash? Move that soda over there. So, Alice, can you bring a knife so we can split Mom's in half also?
I got one.
No, I'm going to take it back to the kitchen.
Oh, you're going to take it back?
It's going to have to.
All right, so here's what we're going to do. All right, Mom. So I think this is the biggest one in the tray. Not like any of them are small. So then the next thing we're going to do is this. Slide your plate over here. Because we're going to put this whole thing right in front of you.
And you get the...
There you go. Loving the lobster. All right, Steve, you're actually in the shot. Mom, looking this way. Okay, big arms around it, Mom. Looking at me, looking at me.
Can't always
There we
see
go. Now you're
lobster.
done. Now you're done. All right, so everybody else can grab a lobster. This is going to be Mom's. I'm going to take it back to the kitchen and do a little prep on it.
Okay.
Okay. This
Is
is
that hers?
This is the big one. That's what we have identified as hers.
Okay, just put it on here.